Welcome to Culinary Delights, my fellow food adventurers, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're making the iconic sweet potato casserole. Why? Because it's the only way we can trick our families into eating vegetables smothered in sugar. Here's a fun fact. Sweet potatoes are linked to Thanksgiving because they have been part of American cuisine for generations, were often candied or glazed as a Thanksgiving side dish. They are a holiday classic, and their natural flavors make them a popular choice for Thanksgiving meals. I want to honor my friend and bro, Noel Lunsford, who graciously shared his recipe with me. I salute you, Noel. Here are the important ingredients necessary to make this family holiday favorite. You'll need 4 to 6 large sweet potatoes, half a cup of orange juice, 3 1/4 cups of chopped pecan nuts or pecan nuts depending on where you're from, half a cup of melted butter, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. You could drop that down to a 1/4 cup if you don't want it to be too sweet. And then obviously we need marshmallows. Go ahead and preheat the oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 205 degrees C. Now, thoroughly wash the sweet potatoes, as we don't want to have any uninvited guests joining our casserole of deliciousness. Place aluminum foil into a baking tray and place the sweet potatoes onto the foil apart from each other. We're now going to use a fork to poke holes into the sweet potatoes so we don't have an explosive celebration inside of the oven, as we know how these little ones can make such a mess. We're now going to place the sweet potatoes into the preheated oven for 1 hour. This will allow the sweet potatoes to caramelize and develop those fantastic flavors we come to associate with Thanksgiving and Christmas. After an hour, you can insert a fork into the potatoes and see if it is soft enough. If not, then place them back into the oven for 15 more minutes. I've never had to do that, so this is just in case your oven is trying to be a Grinch. Just look at their caramelization. Now, drop your oven temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 150 degrees C. We're going to use the oven again shortly. Carefully cut each sweet potato in half. These are quite hot, so try not to burn yourself. And scoop out the soft flesh out of the skin, or just turn each half upside down and then pull the skins off. We have done the hardest part, so now with the masher we are going to mash the sweet potatoes. After a while, just add the melted butter and begin to mix it in. Now add the rest of the ingredients and mix together until everything is evenly distributed. This is when joy, happiness, and peace combine and embrace each other to make your family experience the festive season through this perfect dish. Now, scoop all the sweet potato into a casserole dish. Once this is done, cover the top of the sweet potatoes with marshmallows. This is where sweet potato casserole stops pretending to be healthy and leans all the way to the dessert territory. No regrets. Place it back into the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the marshmallows are browned. Here's a warning. Keep an eye on it because marshmallows can go from golden brown to charcoal brisket in about 2 seconds. Behold, sweet potato casserole, the dish that bridges the gap between vegetables and dessert. Serve it proudly and watch your family argue who gets the last marshmallow. Let's give it a try. Absolutely delicious. It's like having a holiday in my mouth. Now that's lekker. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and let me know in the comments if your casserole turned out better or worse than mine. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family.